Good morning, children. We were reading the chapter Wet in the Forest. Till now, we have read that wildlife wing of the forest department was called to the Medinipur forest for treating an injured elephant. But as it was not being left alone by its herd, it became difficult for the team to cure it. With the help of the villagers, the team succeeded in chasing away the herd, and the young injured elephant was left behind. Let's continue with the chapter to know what happened next. Suddenly, the elephant stopped. I clutched Subrata by his shoulder. Clutched means to hold tightly, and whispered into his ears, "Fire!" Up came the dart gun. The animal winced slightly and, pricked by the dart, quickened its pace. We quickened ours accordingly. In about 5 minutes, its hind legs bent under its body, and then it slowly fell over sideways and lay on its side. Winced means to make a quick movement. So Subrata and the narrator were following the elephant, and as soon as the elephant stopped, narrator asked Subrata to aim and fire. Subrata fired the dart gun. As the dart pricked the elephant, it moved faster with the sudden pain of the shot until the tranquilizer took effect, and then, in a moment, it laid on the ground. Tranquilizer actually is a kind of a drug used to reduce stress, fear, or tension. We approached the animal and closely examined its eyes. The breathing was regular. There appeared to be no immediate cause for worry. The vet confirmed that the body temperature and the pulse rate were normal for an elephant. But there was a frighteningly large abscess around the left knee. Abscess means swollen and infected area. So the vet and the narrator went near to examine the elephant and found that it was in good health as it was breathing regularly and its pulse and temperature were normal. But it had a wound on its knee that was filled with pus and had swollen badly. The vet got to work. A deep cut across the swollen part of the leg brought out a flow of black blood. There was no other visible injury on the elephant and nothing inside the wound. The animal must have got injured stumbling. Stumbling means losing balance while walking over a cut piece of bamboo or a sal stump. After the necessary treatment of its leg and a shot of long acting antibiotic, we bandaged the leg more for visual effect than as part of the treatment of its injury. We knew perfectly well that the bandage would not stay more than a moment once the elephant was on its leg after being revived with the antidote. So the doctor treated the elephant by curing the wound and also gave him a shot of antibiotic which would last for a long time. He then bandaged the wound to show the villagers that they had treated the elephant. So the line, "We bandaged the leg more for visual effect," means just to show the elephant. Why they did so? Because they knew that the medication would heal the elephant anyway, and elephant would tear the bandage once it will be back to its normal state. We expected the medicines to wear off any minute now. Wear off means to lose its effect. But the elephant showed no sign of waking up, as any healthy elephant should do a few minutes after receiving the antidote. So, the narrator and the vet thought that the antidote will show its effect soon and the elephant will regain senses, but it didn't happen. The ever helpful villagers who were watching us from a distance brought buckets of water from a nearby stream to pour on the drugged animal to keep its body temperature down. They also brought back the disturbing news that the herd was back and was making quite a bit of commotion just beyond the stream. Commotion means noisy disturbance. So the villagers extended their help by pouring water on the elephant for keeping its body temperature down. They also told the team that the herd had returned looking for its young member. The elephant, having made a couple of unsuccessful attempts at lifting its head, fell back into a deep sleep, gently snoring. As responsible managers, we should have stayed around for the moment of its revival. Unfortunately, there was not one sal tree strong enough to support a machan on which we would spend the night. Clearly, it would not be possible to spend the night on the ground with about 50 wild elephants just a couple of 100 meters away, eager to come to the aid of their fallen companion. Aid means help. So the antidote started showing its effect, and the elephant tried to raise his head, but then it fell back into a deep sleep. It was a responsibility of the team to wait until they see the signs of the elephant regaining consciousness. But they did not wait, as it was dangerous for them to spend the night in the forest with a herd of 50 wild elephants around, trying to help their injured friend. And there was no tree strong enough to make a machan where they could stay to watch progress in elephants' health. The heat and our parched throats, parched means dry, forced us to turn back. Reluctantly means with hesitation. We returned to the jeep and went back to the rest house. The next day, to our relief, we found that the elephant had revived during the night and the herd had taken it away. So the next morning, the team was relieved to hear that the elephant had recovered and the herd had taken the injured elephant, who was then being cured, along with them. So, children, we have seen that the speaker's team accomplished its task by finding a solution to every problem, which signifies that we may not be efficient, but we can be effective if we have the will to be so. So that's all in this chapter. Thank you.